Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into important topic that every aspiring game developer should consider: the right way to approach game development tutorials. So let's be honest for a moment. Why are you watching these tutorials? Is it because you genuinely want to learn how to create game? Perhaps you are a student taking a game development course, trying to complete a project for a grade. Or maybe you're hoping to take a shortcut, dreaming of releasing a game that will earn you a fortune without putting into the necessary work. If any of this resonate with you, it is time for some tough love. Stop right there. You are wasting your time, energy, and ultimately your potential. Yes, you might finish a project that gets you through a class. But if someone asks you how you did it, you might be left speechless. This approach is short-sighted, and honestly, you would be cheating yourself. But there is a catch. You won't remember everything, and you certainly won't be able to replicate it all without putting in the work. As someone whose channel focuses on game development tutorials, I want to help you create complete game projects. I have put together multiple tutorial series that you can find linked in the comments below. But remember, simple watching isn't enough. Here is my advice. Take action. When you are watching one of my tutorials, or any tutorial for that matter, make sure you are doing the work alongside it. I often get questions about adding new features or fixing code that won't compile due to the simple typos. Instead of giving up or scrolling through the comments for an answer, challenge yourself to solve the problem first. Understanding the code and figuring out what is wrong will enhance your learning experience exponentially. Once you identify your mistakes, you will remember them far better than if someone just handed you the answer. You might even discover other issues along the way. But don't stop there. Once you got a basics project up and running, try refactoring the code, adding new features, or expanding on the original concept. This hands-on approach not only improves your end product, but it also deepens your understanding of how everything works together. Back in the day, when I started programming, we didn't have the luxury of tutorials. Just good old-fashioned paper books. The learning curve was steep, and I had to learn through trial and errors. Today, information is at our fingertips, which is amazing, but can also be overwhelming. If you are starting your game development journey, you might find yourself lost in the sea of tutorials and resources. This is where focused tutorials become invaluable. Pick a complete game tutorial and stick with it. Watch the videos, learn how to get started, and don't hesitate to copy some code. But remember, this is just the beginning. Once you got a basics understanding, start modifying the code and make it your own. Ask questions if you get stuck, but try to solve the problem independently first. Explain what you have tried and how you approach the issue. You will find that many people in the community are more than willing to help you, especially if they can see that you have put in the effort. In summary, tutorials are incredible resources when used correctly. They can guide you, teach you, and inspire you to create. But don't forget, the real magic happens when you take that knowledge and make it your own. So let's get out there and start building. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And remember, the best way to learn is to dive in. Make mistakes and keep pushing forward. Thanks for watching and happy game developing.